Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate business listings images using Yelp tools step by step clearly. To authenticate business listing images using Yelp tools, start by logging into your Yelp for Business account. Navigate to your business profile where you can manage your listings. Look for the Photos section on your profile dashboard. Click on the Add Photos button to begin uploading images. Choose images from your computer or device that represent your business accurately. Ensure that all uploaded images meet Yelp's content guidelines. After selecting your images, label each one with relevant captions for better understanding. Once images are uploaded, proceed to the Manage Photos section. Review your uploaded images for clarity and relevance. Use the option to highlight specific images that represent your business best. Next, check if your images are tagged with a location. Correctly tag images to improve visibility to potential customers. Utilize Yelp's photo verification tools, if available, to enhance authenticity. Monitor your photo uploads for user engagement and feedback. Respond to any comments or suggestions about your images. Regularly update your image gallery to reflect current offerings. This keeps your business profile fresh and engaging for viewers. Finally, track the impact of images on your listing's performance through Yelp Analytics. Implement changes based on data insights to ensure ongoing relevance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.